celebrate the Panchayati Raj Diwas, which will be celebrated on the 24th of April. It is, we are commemorating the addition of the 73rd Amendment to the Constitution, which was in 1992 with effect from 24th of April 1993. Today, the government has laid stress, as we are celebrating this Panchayati Raj Diwas, that we have to, the onus is on the Panchayat to maintain cleanliness within all our vicinity here. It is the duty of every citizen today that we maintain a clean environment, protecting our environment as well. We are all collected here today. I have arranged for a Parivat Yatra, that is a cleanliness drive which will be taken place, which will be aided to the village Panchayat with the help of Kamal College and with Bloom's International School. I would like to thank the management of Kamal College as well as the management of Bloom's International School for always being besides the village Panchayat Nuvem. I have other schools as well in my village, such as the Holy Rosary School, Midas Paupery School, which have always been with the village Panchayat. Due to a short notice, they would not be able to be present today. Anyways, I shall also congratulate the Panchayat Minister, Mr. Mervyn Budino, his team, our Director, Madam Siddhi, Deputy Director, Sir Prasid, our BDO Paritosh, who have always been along with the Panchayat members. Whatsoever, they have always been with us, they have heard our grievances, we have always been along with them as well. I also would like to mention that today we are laying stress on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan Phase 2. That is, we are trying to make our village ODF free. That is, open defecation free. So that is what, and today as India is marching towards massive development, the onus lies on each Panch member, because we at this level tend to hear the sentiments of every local. There are various projects coming in, there is trees being cut down, mobile towers which are being installed, various things have been happening. But keeping all this into consideration, we as Panch members at grassroots level, we are trying to maintain a balance between the locals as well, trying to do the best for our local and for my village. We will be having a 2-day program which will be on the 22nd and the 23rd of April, wherein my village will be contesting. I will be having my contestants here. We will be having wall painting which will be done. We will also be contesting for wealth out of waste, also for canvas painting. We will be contesting for that. So these programs will be arranged on the 22nd and the 23rd of April. And today I would like to definitely thank my schools and every local of my village for helping me keep my village clean. And my say to every villager today is, please be with the village Panchayat, help us to maintain our village clean.